everybody! I'd love to share with you my new favorite skincare line, American Vanity. I'll share with you a little bit of information and show you how I like to use it. So this is Purifying Gel Cleanser. Just a couple pumps. I'm going to add a little bit of water just to get a nice creamy lather. So light. Just leaves my skin feeling so just fresh, purified, and free of buildup without feeling dry. And that is because it has 12 botanical extracts and Bio-Advanced CBD, which is an antibacterial and an anti-inflammatory. So it's great for acne patients and for eczema, anti-aging. It hits a lot of different areas because it's so gentle but yet so effective. This is the Balanced Facial Toner. I'm just going to take a little cotton round, a few pumps of that. And this one is so lovely because it has hyaluronic acid and the CBD. So again, we're getting those anti-inflammatory properties. And it has so many yummy botanicals. Some include apple, melon, orange, lemon, sandalwood, and there's no added fragrances. So it's just, it's like a breath of fresh air for your face. Okay, next I'm gonna hop into Audacious. This is an anti-aging serum. I love to use this overnight, and it just helps to stimulate collagen and regenerate skin cells. It uses probiotics and Bio-Advanced CBD. So I'm just gonna press that in. Don't forget the neck. Oh, it's so lovely. And then lastly, I'm hopping right into the Resilience Replenishing Moisturizer. And this one is super rich, but yet light at the same time. It doesn't leave your skin feeling like it has a big mask on or anything. Like it absorbs so nice, but yet it gives you that refreshing moisture that your skin just needs, especially if you're dehydrated. Because this one has the hyaluronic, the CBD, and the botanicals. And being that there's no added fragrances, it's so great for eczema and acne. And if it does have a scent at all, it's just a very light melon scent, which is so lovely. That's just one of the botanicals that's in it. So I'm super excited about it, and my skin's been doing great with it. I know it doesn't look perfect, but perfect is, you know. So anyway, thanks for joining. I want to also thank Veronica and Mary for creating this line, because it's meant to be. I'm so glad it's in the world, and I'm glad to share it with you. So have a good night.